Wish I had the wings like a dove. Wish I had the wings like a dove. I would fly, fly away. I'll fly away, and you know I'll be at rest, and you know I'm gonna be at rest. Since I got no wings.
Tell me if I need to do anything about the sail on my boat, okay?
Since I got no wings. Since I got no wings, I'm gonna sing, 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 sing. Wish I had the wings like a dove. Wish I had the wings like a dove. I would fly, fly away. I'll fly away, and you know I'll be at rest. You know I'm gonna be at rest. Since I got no wings. Since I got no wings, oh no. Since I got no wing, Raquel, I'm going to sing, 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 sing. Wish I had the wing like a dove. Wish I had a wing like a dove. I would fly, fly away. I'll fly away, and you know I'll be at rest, and you know I'm gonna be at rest. Round the rock you catch a fish, but down here in Guyana I'm catching red hair. Since the man bring me over here, you know the work we can't get it all. You know the time's so hard. Back to Josephine, that you got to make me call. Send a letter to you now. You send a letter to me, mother. You send $150. Won't I come back down to Josephine Dykes? You send a letter to you now. You send a letter to me, mother. You send $150. Wanna come back down to Josephine Dykes? Round the rock you pick your wilk. Round the rock you catch your fish. But down here in Guyana I'm catching red hair. Tell me what you say now. Round the rock you pick your wilk. Round the rock you catch your fish. But down here in Guyana I'm catching red hair. You send a letter to you now. You send a letter to me, mother. You send $150. Won't I come back down to Josephine Dykes? Come on down to Josephine Dykes. Come on down to Josephine Dykes. You send $150. Won't I come back down to Josephine Dykes? Round the rock you pick your wilks. Round the rock you catch your fish. But down here in Guyana I'm a catching red hair. Letter to you. You send a letter to my mother. You send $150. Won't I come back down to Josephine Dykes? Got to come down to Josephine Dykes. Together we'd run. We could have a lot of fun. And in the morning time, the hangover comes around. I'm on vacation, 'cause I've leave my nation to come to your Spandex and enjoy sweet paradise together again. The gray skies are gone. Hello, struggling man. You're back in my arms, right where you belong. I've got some cane rum, and we could get drunk, and you can go back home, tell your friends you've had yourself a lot of fun. Together again, we're down in the islands, we're sailing around on some tropical island. You leave New York City, it was very cold, so you come to your Spandex to get some sunshine in your soul. So we together again, and the gray skies are gone, woman. Some coconut water and some cane rum, gonna do the trick. Hey, we are, for a moment we gon' get on down. Tell your people, man, I jump around. It's a fun time down in this song. If you wanna love, let it hang around. Old man say with the music play, people them are jamming down with Harper Bay, rocking to the music every night and day. Are you really gotta get your way? Come on, people. I have found a closer time to go. Some people don't got a style, but you really meek and mild. In the simplicity, you could be swept away with cunning words and be swept away. I could dance all night long. I've got a plan. Tell me why. Look at that girl, how she winds, she waist, and her hair is blonde, and she having fun. She tell you, shake you, bouncy, shake you, bouncy, shake you, bouncy, shake you, bouncy. She look like a Norwegian girl, and I know she can really work. She dance calypso, she move to the tempo, she dance calypso.